What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure at Dabney State Park again on the beautiful Sandy River with this gorgeous new model 2020 Toyota 4Runner Venture Special Edition. So this is kind of, I would say, in between a TRD Pro and a TRD Off-Road Premium. You're going to get these exclusive TRD Pro wheels, but without the Nitto Terra Grappler tires that you get on the TRD Pro 4Runner. Also special is this Yakima basket you're gonna get with the Venture Edition. Pretty cool. Also, you're gonna get the black mirror caps, your black door handles, your blacked out badging. This is a 2020, so it does have Toyota safety sense. So we got lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, pre-collision system. Like I said, it's equipped just like a TRD Off-Road Premium. So we're gonna have advanced keyless entry, leather interior with heated front seats, full power driver seat on all 4Runners, all your power options as well. This Venture model, like the TRDs, is a 5-passenger model. We do have the built-in inverter in the rear, lots of cargo space, a 40-20-40 split folding rear seat that does fold totally flat. One of my favorite features on the 4Runner as a dog owner is the roll-down window. Dogs just love that. Moving right along. Power passenger seat as well. We got the hood scoop, like a pro and an off-road. Of course, we got push button start along with that advanced keyless entry. This is a 2020, so we have the larger display with the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Of course, a backup camera. Bluetooth for your cell phone. Here's your Toyota Safety Sense controls, your Bluetooth, or the cell phone and audio. It's got a windshield wiper de-icer grid. Not auto climate control, it is regular manual climate control, single zone. Also important to point out, no moonroof on this model. Does have the crawl control and multi-terrain select, as well as the locking rear differential. Again, I'm Patrick over here at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. If you are in the market for a new vehicle and you're in the Pacific Northwest, please hit me up at that number below. If you have any questions or comments, or you want to see a video about something specific, leave some comments, subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more. Have a great day.